Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Today let us discuss one of the most important question of the chapter triangle of class 9. That is, in the given figure ABCD is a square and EF is parallel to the diagonal BD as shown in the figure. This line EF, segment EF is parallel to the line segment BD and also EM is equal to FM. You have to prove DF is equal to BE and AM bisects angle BAD. That is, this line segment AM divides this whole angle into two equal parts. That is angle DAM and angle BAM. We have to prove these two angles are equal. Now, in this figure, first we have to prove that DE is equal to BF. First, let us see what is given in the question. ABCD is a square and EF is parallel to BD. Since EF is parallel to BD, we can say angle 1 is equal to 2 corresponding angles and angle 3 is equal to 4 also corresponding angles. Let us name this as equation number 1. Now, in the triangle BCD, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because BC is equal to CD. Therefore, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, let us name this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3. If angle 1 is equal to angle 3, then we can say CE is equal to CF. Now, from this whole side CD, let us subtract this CE. So, we will be getting ED. Similarly, from this whole side BC, let us subtract this CF. So, we will be getting BF. So, therefore, we can say ED is equal to BF. So, you can understand this from these steps written over here. First step, we have written EF is parallel to BD. Therefore, 1 is the angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Also, 2 is equal to 4. From these two equations, we can say angle 1 is equal to 3. If 1 is equal to 3, then CE is equal to CF. Therefore, DF is equal to BE. Now let us see how to prove that angle DAM is equal to angle BAM. For this, in step 2, let us take these two shaded triangles and prove those two shaded triangles as congruent. In these two triangles, we know that AD is equal to BA because they are the sides of the square, and DF is equal to BE because just now we have proved that. And also we know angle D is equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by SAS we can say these two triangles ADF is congruent to triangle ABE, and by CPCT we can say angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Also AF is equal to BE. Now moving on to step 3. We'll take the other triangles, that is these two shaded triangles. In these two shaded triangles, we have proved AF is equal to AE just now. AM is common and FM is equal to ME given. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, we can say 7 is equal, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Now, we can add angle 5 plus angle 7 and angle 6 plus angle 8. When we add, we will be getting angle DAM is equal to angle BAE. If angle DAM is equal to angle BAE, then we can say, hope you understood this question.